Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Lobos Entertainment, and today we're going to be installing the sport oil cooler valve and a new plate for the oil cooler thermostat. So the point for this is to basically drop the temp down. If you watch my previous video, I went to the track, the car stayed at 280 Fahrenheit after like 3-4 laps, hot laps. So we're going to try to lower the temp by taking out the OEM, and hopefully it open the thermostat earlier so you can go into the cooler and cool the car down. So the tools you're gonna need a T27. This is a pretty easy installation. So T27 ratchet, and you're gonna need one of these pliers. One with a curve is easy to get in to pull out the OEM valve. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take this thing out. Mine is broken, so I need to figure out how to fix this. But basically you want to take this, it's going to be here. You can take it off, you pop this out. It's car cover, you can have the engine cover, you want to take that off so you can get access to these bolts. I mean, you still can do it, but it's just easier. Alright, so T27 ratchet, put it on. And pull both of them. They shouldn't be that tight, should be easy to pull. Oh, I didn't realize you're gonna need one of these E-sockets. So guys, you're gonna need an E-socket 14 for this bolt right here. I didn't realize a bolt was here that's in front of the plate. So you want to pull that. Alright, once you take this bolt out, if you don't take this out first, you're gonna have a hard time taking this out, because you have a spring that's constantly pushing this thing out. So this is the OEM one, and this is what you're gonna try to take out. This right here. Oh, it popped right out. Okay. Take it out, and also the spring. See? It come right out. Alright guys, so this is what you want to install. This is the valve right here. So you're gonna have the long piece going in first, and this one in the back, and then this go on top of it. This gasket right here, you probably want to change it, but I don't have it, and it looks fine. Still have some softness to it. So you're gonna put this in first. Right? And then once you do that, it's pretty easy. Then you put this back, but you want to make sure it's in the hole. And once you do that, you're gonna reuse the bolts that you took out from here. So here's one of them. Just you want to hand tighten them. So the reason you want to untighten them because this is aluminum, and aluminum sometimes they're very easy to when you cross thread them. So you want to hand tighten them first. And you can go ahead and tighten them. I don't know the torque spec for this, but you just need it to be snug, because when I pulled it, it wasn't that tight. You just want to snug tighten it. Alright guys, so once you install these two bolts, you want to put back this one here. It's very important you put that back. Just gonna tighten it. I'm not sure what's the torque spec for this as well, but we're just gonna tighten it and tighten it. Alright guys, we're gonna start the car to make sure no oil leaks. Alright guys, so no oil leak so far, everything looks sealed. So the downside to this, because it doesn't have the high temp thermostat, you're gonna want the car to warm up for a minute before. You want the car to warm up a bit longer than you normally have the car warmed up, so the car can go up to full temperature, because this right here is basically low temp, so the engine oil gonna stay cool, cooler than normal. So you want to keep the car warm before you leave, before you drive off. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below and I'll definitely answer it. So I'll see you guys at the track.